Alright, this video is dedicated to Adam here at the 5500 to King of Prussia Orange Garage. And I got the chimes too, that my first 5500 actual interior chimes. And there you go. There we go. 2015. Does arrow stay moving? It does, yeah, it's 2015. Yeah. These are snap cabs. But they're stainless steel. They're stainless steel though. They're probably actually some of the worst snap cabs. Does that mean car 44?
Yep.
Yeah, car 44.
Whatever I just want.
Yeah. Well, I'll see if the back one's working, but it probably won't. Because someone's here recently wasn't working.